Okay, guys, so we've learned how to conjugate ARE verbs, and so today we're going to learn how to conjugate ERE verbs. Now, there are three types of verb endings in Italian: ARE, which we are very comfortable with at this point, ERE, which we're learning today, and also IRE, which we're learning today. The difference between the three is simply just the letters that the verb end in. It doesn't mean it's a different type of verb, it just means that it ends in different letters. So if you look at step one is the same exact step in ARE verbs. You take off the ending. Now, what is different is going to be step two. Some of the endings are different. Some of them, which means some of them are the same from ARE. Let's see what they are. So the first one, io will always go with o. Tu will always go with I. Lei, lui, and lei ends in E. So our endings are O, I, and E for io, tuo, lei, and lui. Now noi is also exactly the same. Iamo. Voi is ete. And loro is ono. So we have O, I, E, iamo, ete, ono. Okay. If you look at the bottom, it says the only difference between ERE and IRE verbs is in the voi form. So now ERE is ete, IRE is ite, ite. With the exception of this form, with the exception of the voi form, everything else that you see here are the endings for IRE verbs. So these are ERE. IRE is exactly the same with the exception of voi, which we see here is ete, and that's it. ITE. So we already know how to conjugate ARE verbs. We just learned how to conjugate ERE verbs, and within that comes IRE. Let's see how it looks when we conjugate a verb. Okay, so my example is correre, and that is to run. So we have io corro, because my io verbs end in o, and that means I run. Tu corri, ending in an I, because my two verbs always end in an I, is you run. Lei corre, you formal run, it ends in an E. Lei corre, she runs. Lui corre, he runs. Noi corriamo, we run. Voi correte, you all run. Loro corrono, they run. And loro, capital L, you all run, formal. Okay, now let's just examine this again. O, I, and iamo are exactly the same in all three types of verbs in ARE, ERE, and IRE. The only difference would come up in the lei lui form, the voi form, and the loro form. And again, when it's an IRE verb, this E right here turns to an I. So let's look at new verbs so we can use them to practice. The first verb is bevere. Repeat. Bevere. Bevere means to drink. The next one, comprendere. Repeat. Comprendere. Comprendere means to understand. Maybe you've heard of the expression non comprendo. Now we know where it comes from. Non comprendo is the io form of the verb comprendere. Comprendere conjugated to the io form is comprendo, and that's where we get it from. The next verb, leggere. Repeat. Leggere. Leggere means to read. Scegliere. Repeat. Scegliere. Scegliere means to select or to choose. Vendere. Repeat. Vendere. Vendere means to sell. Correre. Repeat. Correre. Correre means to run. Next verb, aprire. Repeat. Aprire. Aprire means to open. Coprire. Repeat. Coprire means to cover. Coprire means to cover. Scrivere. Repeat. Scrivere. Scrivere means to write. Descrivere. Repeat. Descrivere. Descrivere means to describe. Ricevere. Repeat. Ricevere. Ricevere means to receive.